And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a phone unboxing. I might throw these in together with this other one because they came from the same seller. I just ordered them at different times. Let's see. Here it is. This is a LG CE500 with singular. There it is. And like I said, these come from the same seller, so I'm just going to open them all together. There should be 3 of them in here. These were about $10 a piece, but they all look kind of new. So I figured they were kind of worth it. Oops. Here's a Motorola V220. I already have one of these that's silver. This one's missing the inner bezel. Like I said, most of the time when you take a chance on some of these new looking phones, they're probably going to be refurbished and they're probably going to be cheap parts. Like as you can see, this faceplate doesn't really, there we go. So I mean it's probably a generic replacement housing, but there's a chance you have to take. There's 2 more here. Here is a LG L1200. As you can see, none of these have batteries either, so I'm going to have to see if I can find some batteries for them. Looks like they just take normal LG chargers. And lastly, we have an LG CG300. Looks like it's got a push to talk key. Yep. Push to talk key. So this is the same seller I bought the LG C1500 from, I think it was. Yeah, it was fun. It was that new gray singular looking phone that was still had the paper on it, same seller. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.